The fun doesn't stop in sublimation, and here is another reason why. Stitched stubby coolers, no assembly required, and it's so easy to print on. All you need is something rigid to put inside the stubby cooler so it holds its shape while you're pressing. In the heat press, I've got an 11-ounce mug wrap and it's set to very light pressure. I can't stress that enough. First of all, bring in this side, which I've trimmed so that you have colour all the way to the edge. And that crosses over the black tape on the stubby cooler. Then you take this side here and wrap it around nice and tight. Then apply your tape to secure the transfer. Positioning in the heat press, you'll see the black tape on the stubby cooler. Put that facing up, which will mean that your tape and your join is slightly off to the side. So facing upwards, we place that inside. Center your stubby cooler from left to right. And then, see that? Pressure, super light. That started counting down already. 180 degrees for 90 seconds. Okay, open your mug press and turn about 90 degrees. Reclamp. I'm not going to reset the heat press, but that's going to count down until 45 seconds and I'll open it. We open the mug press, take out your stubby cooler. And the long awaited ta-da moment, there we have a stubby cooler. So if you see here, we started by pressing this side with it facing up. Then it finished the press by turning it around 90 degrees. Because you've got the tape there, the join isn't visible. And I think you'll agree that that is a really good print. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and we'll keep you up to date with everything else in sublimation.